What's up, everybody? It's Joey Rockenstein. I am at 13123 Gardenland Road in Brentwood. That's right, the Brood. Checking out this 5-bedroom, 6-bath, 5,000 square foot home. We got a lot of space to cover, so let's go. Coming into this house, you can see it opens up right away. Huge arching staircase, high ceilings. Check out that chandelier already. Coming into your living room area, this house is very unique. There's a definite architecture to it, including the wood on the ceilings. Dual fireplace, opens right up down into a family room area, dining room, and you can see the kitchen right there. You can see this whole area is about space, 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 baby. It's a new Vanilla Ice song. Space, space, baby. These big bay windows, tons of natural light flood this house. Great view of the pool, jacuzzi, little waterfall, very zen-like. This wraps around to your formal dining room area. Again, huge windows, but check out the ceiling. Tons of natural light flood this area. If you want to have any kind of flooding, it's going to be natural light. And check out this kitchen, marble countertops, slab on the island, wine fridge, all high-end GE appliances. This kitchen has it all for the chef or the wannabe chefs or just people who like to eat, like myself. Here, your own little wine closet, temperature controlled. Who doesn't need a wine closet nowadays, for those of you who like wine or just like drinking in the closet? Checking out the downstairs area, multi-level house, guest bathroom. Hey now, on into the downstairs bathroom. So you pretty much have two bathrooms almost in the same space. On up to the second level. Again, check out that huge chandelier. You know what that means. Lots of dusting. View from the upstairs. It's the master bedroom entrance, separate entrance. We'll check that out in a bit. It's your hallway, overlooking your backyard, which is outstanding. And here, bedroom number 2, with your own retail space. If you're looking to display your purses or your projects, or yourself, you have a space for that. Closet area. Cedar wood, keeping those moths out. On into your Jack and Jill bathroom for Jack and Jill. You can also live here if your name isn't Jack and Jill, but it just makes it more convenient. Big window to spy on people while you're using the bathroom. It's always important. Into bedroom number 3. Another big walk-in closet for a bedroom. It's important that everybody have their own space for their things and to have wood paneling in that space. Back into the hallway again. That's the bedroom we were just in. Now bedroom number 4. The bathroom. And this could also be a really cool office space. little door out to the lanai. Try saying that 5 times fast. Lanai, lanai, lanai. See, it's hard. Overlooking the pool. Another big port window there. Apparently the architect also designs cruise ships. And something that not every bedroom has, everybody should think about having, your own dry sauna. Perfect landscaping for a dry sauna, succulents. Now to the master bedroom. Got to be on the guest list to get into this bedroom. That's why you can see the separation between the carpet and the French oak flooring. Here, this is a great master bedroom. Fireplace, looks out into the backyard and pool. Exceptional. It's gonna hang right. Check out this closet. It's a bedroom in itself. You have space for your stuff or pull-up bars if you'd rather do that. Little area for trinkets. And out into your ensuite bathroom. It's like a spa. Huge tub. Separate toilet area. Not separate enough though. I'd rather have a completely separate toilet area. I don't want to hear people. And then I love this shower area. The body jets. Look at that window. Oh, if only a bird could fly over right now. Floating vanity. It's got it all. 5 bedrooms, 6 baths in this house. Then of course, out to the backyard for the spectacular pool area, sparkling pool, jacuzzi, outdoor kitchen, barbecue. The ultimate entertainer's secluded retreat. Perfect place to end the tour in a secluded, zen-like backyard with a sparkling pool and jacuzzi. The price for this house, you ask? Well, thanks for asking. Let's go over the specs again. 5 bedrooms, 6 bath, 5,000 square feet of living space, sits on a 33,000 square foot lot. The price recently reduced to $2,998,000. That's US dollars. That's right, 2,998,000. Let me know what you think about this house, guys. Drop me a comment below and check out the links for this video in the description for a home buyer's guide and also a personalized home search portal. Let me help you start your home search today. I'm Joey Rockenstein. I'll see you at the next house. Let's go for a swim. I'm not gonna do that.